What else? Another one of them. Just standard bits of plumbing. Got some fuel. Some ammunition. Important. Safety switch. Okay. Basically, this is making a confetti cannon. It would normally be potatoes, but we're indoors. I don't have any potatoes. So take the barrel, screw on a connector, get the rubber seals correct. There we are. Should have some music for this. Probably the wrong thing. Right. Barrel. We have a waste trap under your sink basins. This has been slightly modified. It's our combustion chamber. Just going to screw these on here. You've got me doing that one now. Oops, cross-threading. Right. Push that in, nice tight fit. Screwing it the wrong way. Okay. Ready-made. Looks a bit like a taser or a cattle prod, but it's not. Put this on here. Of course you are. You wouldn't be here if it wasn't. And I built that there so we can ignite the fuel. It won't fire because I need a safety switch. Turn it on. I can ignite the fuel. So turn it off. But now, somebody got a broom. There we go. And hopefully, still got a little bit of wadding, stop it falling out. Right. What's best? That's probably not in here. I think I have to do it out there, unless everyone wants to get covered in it. I'm going to have to do it over to the side there because I don't want to get anywhere near the lights there. It's only paper that's coming out there, but there is a slight risk that it may come out in flames. It's never happened before, but there's always a first time. Oops. Let's get a bit of mixture in there, air in there. Right, we're armed. Right, disarm it. Thank you.
Thanks, Andrew. Any questions?
That's actually just hairspray. That's probably the extra hold which gums up the spark plug in there. But the thinner stuff, the lighter stuff without all the gunk in it, whatever the technical term is, that glues your hair together, probably best. Or deodorant, so I've been told.
Could you use one of those long tube pizza lighters instead of the electronics?
Could do. But that's actually a little igniter module, not an igniter module, spark generator coil with a couple of batteries. So I just put a power onto it, a switch across it, and it generates a spark. Depending on the voltage, it could be a bigger spark. Well, that's enough for this cannon. Thank you.
Thank you.